Welcome to Xoonio. Today we talk about how you can use the app in practice. Xoonio is a purely video-based app. That's why it is used like you'd film someone in front of you. Even when you connect to others, hold the smartphone like in a video call. As you can see, your helper always follows the same feed as you. Of course, your helper can switch streams, offering you to follow his video feed. Even when you press the button, End Call, continue to hold your smartphone the same way. After your session, you are taken to the rating screen, where you can express your feelings about your helper's service. Finally, tell us if you got all the answers to your challenges by pressing the button Yes. If you want to try another helper, please do so by pressing No.